It's the 18th of December. How many days? 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. A week to go. Like 7 days after today. That's correct. 19, 20, 22, 24, 25. Yeah, 7 days. So, day 18 of Countdown to Christmas with JWH Millinery. If you want to see what is in today's box, keep on watching. So today, box 18, and it's another weighty box. When I say weighty, like it's not that weighty, but compared to some of the stuff, it's weighty. So I'm going to rip into this. And ooh, we have a pink fuchsia cape line. I love this colour. This is probably one of my favourite colours. That's just the bit that's in the box. Tell me what it is. Just put that to one side. So, I wonder what we could put with this. I mean, to be honest with you, the yellow thing we got on day one, was it day one I think we got that? That would be good, like pink and yellow. I have a lot of pink, a lot of black, navy. We'll see. I think, let me get Christmas over with and we'll start looking at what we can do to incorporate. And in fact, because I've still got the pile of stuff from the previous days, but I think like something like that would look rather nice. Maybe add a couple of these. Ooh, yes. Ooh, that would look nice. Oh. Well, tell me what you think. Obviously not just like this though. But yeah. Oh. But anyway, enough of that. Let me just check out today's question of the day, which is, what is your favourite holiday destination? So I would probably say New York. So when I got married previously, we went to New York for our honeymoon. We cruised across on the Queen Mary and we stayed 3 or 4 nights in New York, and I loved every second of it. Like from the going down to Southampton to get onto the ship to cruising across. Oh, it was divine. I was probably one of the youngest people on the ship because I got married when I was 26, I believe. Was I 26? Thereabouts. Very too young to get married at 26, and we cruised across on the Queen Mary. Was beautiful. Got into New York at like 4 o'clock in the morning. The walk us all up if we wanted to see us going in. It was magical. It was absolutely, it was just magical. And New York, I mean, it's so clean, it's so big, it's so well, it's not spacious, but the sidewalks are massive. Yeah. And the food, oh my word. And I got to go to Mood Fabrics, which is like an all-time, like, wanted to go to destination. So yeah, I'm hoping for my 40th to do that again. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun if I can manage to do that for my 40th. So yeah, favorite holiday destination, transatlantic cruise to New York, including New York at the end of it. But anyway, thank you very much for joining me today on day 18 of this crazy advent calendar. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. It's listed in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you already haven't done so. And if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified every time we release videos. Because in December, we're releasing videos every single day at 8 AM UK time. I have a busy day of stuff to do today, so I'm going to crack on and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.